Alright, so I have my banana peppers here. Have too many that I can eat. So I'm going to go ahead and pick some of these, and I'm going to go ahead and can them. Alright, so I have my banana peppers. I'm going to go ahead and, these are washed clean, so I'm going to go ahead and start chopping. Banana peppers are chopped, and I threw in two red Cajun bells just to give it a little spice. So I would say I have about 3 to 4 cups of banana peppers right here. Over here I'm going to be putting 2 cups of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and then I'll be bringing that to a boil. The brine is boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer this over to my pepper jars. As you can see over here, I filled up my 4 pepper jars. So they're full of banana peppers. So my sanitized jars, put the peppers in. So I ended up condensing the peppers into just 3 jars instead of 4. I poured the brine in, leaving about a half an inch at the top. And then I put the lids on and just finger tighten them. So I'm going to leave these somewhere cool for about 24 hours till they get that seal, and then they'll be ready to refrigerate and eat days later.